Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own AI-powered avatar using Canva. This is a great way to save time and money on video production and to create more engaging videos for your YouTube channel, social media, or website. Start with step-by-step tutorial. Step number 1, go to canva.com and sign up or log in with your Gmail account. Step number 2, click on Apps in the left sidebar and select Narrow Eye Avatars. Step number 3, click on Use a New Design and then select Video. Step number 4, choose an eye avatar and paste your script into the text box. Step number 5, select your language and voice and then click on Create your video. Step number 6, wait for Canva to generate your video. Once it's finished, click on the video to remove the background. Step number 7, to remove the background, click on Edit Video and then click on Background Remover. Step number 8. Once the background has been removed, click on Background to change the background color of your video. Step number 9. To change the background color, click on the color icon and select a color or photo. Step number 10. To download your video, click on Share and then click on Download. You've now learned how to make a talking AI avatar using Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials.